Good morning, good morning, good morning.
What's up, guys?
We are out here on the scene, guys. Check it out. We are working on the goat enclosure out here by the power lines, and we've already got the fence up this morning. It's hot.
Yeah, it's humid.
Humid, yeah, it's humid. The sun ain't too bad. When it does peek out from up underneath these stormy clouds, it gets a little heated. But we're making some pretty good progress today. We're not doing too bad. Mike brought his old battery operated weed eater up here.
Wild badger.
And it made a difference. Weed eated around the edges. Now what we're gonna do, we're going to get the goat shelter to move back here. We left a couple of panels open there, and we figured we'd bring y'all along while we make this trip, because you are gonna want to see the wildflowers in the field. It's absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, it's nice.
I'm gonna hand y'all over to my cameraman for the day here, and we're gonna get Uber fired up and go get this shelter.
Oobity, oobity.
Yeah. Literally less than 30 seconds, he almost dropped off.
That's because he's been working me like a slave.
I'm gonna try to go real slow so the volume's not real loud for you guys.
Look at that goat enclosure, looking good.
Yeah, they should have a little bit to eat in there. There's some good tall grass up in there.
Oh yeah.
Just give them the view. Fall is coming, guys. Fall is coming.
Looks different to look that way.
Yeah. I see a whole lot of work that way.
Work, work, work. At least with the rain, Uber's looking shiny.
Oh yeah. And if not, I got that new pressure washer. I can make it shiny.
Come on.
This is the slowest trip through a field ever. But if I rev Uber up, y'all won't hear a word we're saying.
That's a fact.
The yellow flowers out here are insane.
It's popping hard too. Man, it's off that green and the brown. Look at the yellow, guys.
Dr. Doolittle. You'll have that on Come On Mountain.
Remember last 4th of July when the fam came up and everybody was just so shocked at all the butterflies? Remember Marissa and them?
Yeah. And also a butterfly is what caused you wrecked the last 4th of July.
Don't go chasing butterflies.
It's funny, he's still on Mike's hand right now. He's just riding with us.
Catch a ride, catch a ride. That's the old hunting grounds over there.
Yes, sir. That's where the first deer was harvested, right there.
Yep.
Yeah, I got a rag with me. I'm gonna wash Uber as we're driving.
Wash it.
Get her all shined up.
Oh, there's the other ground blind. Camouflage.
Show them behind you.
Woo! I love that field.
Yeah. Beauty on the mountain. We got some natural, more natural flowers right here, the little purple and blue ones.
Oh, yeah, right here. Those are nice flowers.
This is one of my favorite parts of the property is this road, how all the trees grow over it.
Yeah, it gives a good tunnel over the road.
Yeah, and it's always got a lot of leaves and stuff there. It's just a really nice walk. Me and Eclipse walks this often, right here. We go there and then take a right and go down to the mountains. I see your butterfly still hanging out.
Still hanging out.
Definitely starting to have some trees change color. A little here and there. I bet you y'all didn't know y'all was going to go on a tractor ride this morning, huh?
Hey, it's kind of fitting though because we are rolling into fall.
Yeah,
a little fall festival.
Yeah, little hay ride.
Little hay ride, yep. Lissa has been on the prowl for corn mazes and haunted houses, hay rides, stuff like that. But the closest one we can find is like an hour and a half out.
Well, where I'm going is known for its haunted hotel.
Yep.
Here in a couple of days. See those trees changing.
Yep. You can
Starting to get yeller.
Yeah, we got some trees on the landing that are already red.
Well, it's because y'all got all the nice trees on the
Yeah,
landing.
we got the nice trees.
I got the evergreens, cedars and pines. And I got a couple up here.
It looks so different without the fence up over here.
Yeah. Take Uber in there and get some of that vine stuff that we didn't get. They got a couple of these small trees right here and that's parked out.
Yep.
I think what we'll do to start with is we'll move the barrels. That'll open up the area to get that out.
Okay. All right, Butterfly. You've been riding for almost 9 minutes. I'm gonna set you free. Time to get to work.
I've been getting some rain lately.
I like your shirt, Dad Bod.
Dad bod. Rocking the dad bod. Why not? Right?
Why not?
We'll go ahead and take Eclipse's pole. Even though it's almost not pool season.
Yeah, no kidding.
haven't decided on the rabbits where I'm going to put them yet. I might put them out there by the goats, or I might put them out there back by the other rabbits. That's where they're going to live eventually, is back there anyways. I might put them close to where they're going to live.
True. Yep. Next to the raised bed area.
Yeah. So we'll go ahead and get these there. But I think that's going to be about it, guys. For this one, we just want to touch base with you, kind of let you know what we got going on here on the mountain today. But we are out here taking advantage of not having rain today, because it's been raining a little bit here lately. But we got 2 days in the last couple of days.
Yeah,
right?
2 days.
So now we're able to get back outside. I took full advantage of the rain though and got everything done inside the cabin. I'm waiting on one thing, guys. One thing. As soon as it gets here, I'm gonna do the reveal video of the cabin. But I gotta wait for that. I don't know if it's gonna get here this week before I leave to go out of town or not. But we'll see. Let's show them this tree right here. This tree right here got me, guys.
Oh yeah, I remember that. Whoa.
And when it hits you, all day it hurts. It's like it's got poison in it.
Look at those thorns. Man.
Those are serious. So that tree's probably going to get cut down. I really don't like it. I don't like it at all. At all.
Man.
But I love every single one of y'all. Hopefully y'all are having a good day. Do something nice for somebody, guys. Take a step closer to your goals, but keep it real. Come on.